Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Charge your phone above 50% and enable location and compass so the app reads satellites accurately. Once done, mount the phone on a steady surface or tripod and remove magnetic cases that skew the compass. Now open the Satellite Pointer app and grant location and camera permissions. The app needs both to map the sky and overlay guidance. After permissions, tap the satellite list and select the target you intend to point at so the app loads real-time pass data. Now you move into alignment. Pick the specific satellite pass time and note the elevation angle the app shows. Then tap Live View to enable the camera overlay. You'll see azimuth and elevation markers that tell you where to point. Hold the phone level and rotate your body slowly while watching the markers converge. Make fine adjustments in both horizontal and vertical axes. Once the crosshairs or target icon sits on the satellite track, use small steady motions to keep it centered until you confirm signal strength increases. Finish by confirming the signal. Watch the app signal strength readout and lock orientation when readings are stable and consistent. If you see drift or the direction is off, recalibrate the compass with the on-screen figure 8 routine. Do this when you're away from metal objects. If signal remains poor, move to a higher location or clear line of sight. Trees and buildings block satellites. One key troubleshooting tip. If direction error exceeds about 5 degrees after calibration, restart the app and repeat live view alignment to remove residual offsets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.